Hello traders, welcome to Pro Binary Bots YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to develop a consecutive or D1 digits analyzing deriv bot. In last video we discussed how to develop a D1 digit percentage analyzing bot. So today's video is how to develop consecutive or D1 digits analyzing deriv bot. And our next video will be how to develop a time sensitive or D1 bot. I will explain these topics now. This bot is developed based on the comment below. Here he is asking volatility 100 index, digit or D1 method, then 5 ticks, and time will be XX hours, XX minutes, and 00 seconds. That means bot start at 00 second at every minute. Then if continuous 3 odd digits appear, bot purchase odd. If 3 continuous even appear, bot purchase even. Additionally, he is mentioning start analysis when the clock is calculated at 00 seconds. I will show you how to do that. See the final number out. When the odd number comes out 3 times, purchase odd, as I explained earlier. So I will show you this bot also. You can see the same dashboard as earlier. This is a bit different. The volatility 100 index, you can change it from here to 100. I will show you it in volatility 10 index. We can see the difference in this bot when we run this. And the below left side corner you can see the current seconds. As soon as new minute open, the bot will start analyzing. As soon as 3 even digits appeared, bot place digit odd trade. This bot is developed to trade if 3 even digits appear. Bot place digit odd trade. If 3 odd trades appear, bot place digit even trade. But because I am showing you how to develop this bot, you can change it as you wish. So let's go to today's video. Now I'm in deriv bot platform. You can find the link in the video description. I will zoom in this. I have already developed the bot file. I will upload it. Last digit list bot. Okay. This is the bot file. And these are the functions in this bot file. We can change the trading amount. If we set 3 here, bot will analyze last 3 digits. What's happening in this bot is, if last 3 digits odd, bot will place digit even trade. If last 3 digits even, bot will place odd trade. I will show how to develop this, then you can change the logics as you wish. To show you how to develop this bot, I will reset this bot from here. Then I will change the marker to continuous indices volatility 10 index. Then I am changing trade type to digits or D1. Now we want to create a variable to set the number of digits that we are analyzing. I am making the variable digit analyzing count. Take this block and connect it here, and go to math and take this block and connect it here. Then change the number of analyzing digits to 3. Now we want a variable to get the last digit list. So I am creating a new variable, digits list. I will take this block and connect it here. I will change it to digits list. I am going to advanced list. Then in list, get a sublist from and connect it here. The list we want is, we can find it under binary, pick analysis, advanced, last digit list, and connect it here. You can delete this. We want to get number from the end. this digit analyzing count. I'm going to variable and take this variable and connect it here and to last. Okay, now we have the last digit list. That means the last 3 digits. If you put 5 here, we will get the last 5 digits from here. So now I will click on this rearrange vertically to make this cleaner. Now I'm going to loop and I will take this count. No, I will take this for each item j and connect it here. For each item j in list, digits list. So I will go to variable and take this digits list. For you all, this j may shown as I, so I can change it to I. Even if it is j, it's not an issue. Now I create a variable even check. From here we are going to check whether all digits are even. I will take this set even check. I will set this even check to 0. Now I am going to math. I will take this code block and connect it here. And I am going to variable and I will take this I. If our I is even, we want to set even check to 1. Here our even check is 0. If I is, I am changing it to odd. If I is odd, I will set this even check to 1. That means all of these last digit numbers are not even. Now I will create a variable to check odd check, and I will set this odd check here. Again I am going to set this odd check to 0. Then I will duplicate this code block and connect it here. Here what we want to do is, if I is even, set this odd check to 1. Now what we want to do is, go to logic, take this if code block and connect it here. Again taking this code block and connect it here. I'm going to variable. If our even check is equal 0, purchase even. I will duplicate this and connect it below. Odd check is 0, purchase odd. What's happening here is, we have given 3 digits to analyze. If our last 3 digits is even, the bot will place an even trade. We can change it from here. If we change it like this, if our last 3 digits are even, bot will place an odd trade. If we keep it like this, if our last 3 digits are even, bot will place an even trade. So let's keep it like this. If you want, you can change it from here. We can add a notification. I will connect it here. We want to notify last digit list. So I'm going to variable and I will take this digits list and connect it here. Let's run this bot and test. Okay, we can see the last 3 digits here. Our last 3 digits are odd, so bot placed an odd trade. Let's change this to 4 and let's run this bot again. Okay, we can see that bot is analyzing last 4 digits. Here Our first tick also digit even trade, so bot placed in even trade. Let's change it from here. If 4 even digits appeared, it will place a digit odd trade. If 4 odd digits appeared, bot will place a digit even trade. Let's run this bot again. I will clear the log first. Okay, our last 4 digits are odd, bot place a digit even trade. So that is how to develop a last digit list analyzing or given bot. Let's connect with our next video how to develop a time sensitive bot. Thank you very much for watching.